Hey guys, got a 2024 plate Hyundai Tucson here. Just going to show you how to adjust the date and the time on this one. So on this one, we're going to make sure your ignition is turned on. And then we're going to come to the screen in the center of the dash. And then from here, just want to click on where the time is, top left. It'll go into these settings. And then from here, it'll say auto time setting. So if you want it automatically to do it for you, just have that ticked. Swipe to the right where it's blue. And if you want to do it manually, uncheck it and then go to date and time settings. Then from here, you can change it. That's your date, your months and your years, and then also your time, and AM, PM. And then once you're happy with that, just come on to anything else, and that'll save it. Also there, you can do your 24 hour, 24 hour format, 24 hour and 12 hour format.